Hi, this is Matt with Inmate Search Info. Today we're going to be looking at how to find North Dakota inmates. The North Dakota inmate population is quite small. Based on the most recent statistics I could find, it's about 1,700 people currently incarcerated in North Dakota. The North Dakota inmate search is available based on name. However, if you look at the search page, it's hard to believe it's really a thing. You'll think you're in the wrong spot. So I wanted to start out on the inmate search info page just so you could see this is the North Dakota inmate search page. Little non-descriptive, let's just say, but you can use this. I don't know how easy it is to find this if you don't go to our page first, and even if you do get it, you might think you're in the wrong spot. So I just want to assure you that this is correct for North Dakota. So we're going to go ahead and pop a name in there and do a search and see what we get. All right, so obviously I searched by last name. If I'm not mistaken, you can search by first name or I don't know about middle name. Let's just try it real quick and see for fun. All right, so we saw one of our results did have that as a middle name. No, so I guess you can only search by last name or first name. Let's try a first name just to see, because we don't really have much else we can do on this. There we go, first name. Nope. So I guess maybe it's just last name then. Let's try it again. All right, so hopefully you know the last name of the person that you're looking for. Otherwise, you might be in some kind of trouble here. So you have the offender ID. That's the North Dakota Department of Corrections ID, which may be something you need if you're trying to get in touch with the person, any kind of correspondence or phone calls, things like that, visitation. You get a date of birth, which of course is going to help you a little bit. I mean, the full name, because it's such a small inmate population, even a common name like Smith, I mean, to only get this few results for a last name search is pretty rare. We don't even have two of the same first name here. So I think you're probably in pretty good shape, assuming, like I say, that you have the last name available. So clicking on the link, again, not exactly teeming with information. You've got the full name, date of birth, estimated release date. That could be something that's of use for you. And they do have the facility information. So they give you a phone number, they give you a street address. No information, no links to that as far as visitation or just finding out, policies and things like that. That's some information that you can find on our website at Inmate Search Info for the North Dakota page, which is in the description below. You can register for victim notification so that you will get notifications by email, possibly by text as well, for movements that take place for an individual. So let me just check another one just to see if there's maybe more information. Nope, I guess they're all kind of the same. You can't blow up the picture, but at least they do have some pictures available. Doesn't look like there's historical information. Let's take a look at an older one and see. Yeah, these are current people who are incarcerated, imprisoned, or in a facility. These are not people on parole, probation, or historically been incarcerated. So again, the results are a little bit limited. So if you're looking for someone that is maybe not in the current system in North Dakota, but suspect they may have been in the past, or just trying to find them, there are different types of background searches you can do, and we have information about that on our North Dakota page, as well as, like I say, some helpful hints, tips, other types of offender searches, and ways that you can get more information about the facilities where your inmate person that you're interested in may be located. That covers everything, I think, for today. Thanks so much for watching.